Evening. Today, 15 June 2020, me Alia Ghosh, news anchor from Lavafara Media, here brings you the world latest updated news from all around the world. Sushant Singh Rajput passes away at 34. No suicide note recovered from his Mumbai flat. Bollywood lost yet another star as Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide at his residence in Mumbai. While the industry is still reeling with the passing away of Irfan Khan and Rishi Kapoor, Bollywood has to now deal with yet another loss. Sushant Singh was 34 years old and was much loved for his performances on small screen as well as in movies. According to ANI, Sushant committed suicide at his Bandra residence by hanging himself on Sunday. Additional Commissioner of Police Dr. Manoj Sharma confirmed Sushant Singh Rajput has committed suicide. Mumbai police is investigating. Police has not found any note yet, said DCP Pranay Ashok, spokesman Mumbai Police. More details are much awaited. In an official statement, Sushant Singh Rajput team had shared pain us to share that Sushant Singh Rajput is no longer with us. We request his fans to keep him in their thoughts and celebrate his life and his work like they have done so far. We request media to help us maintain privacy at this moment of grief. So here we'll be coming with another news. Nepal move myopic serves Oli's limited agenda. New Delhi. Nepal's passage of constitutional amendment to change its map to include Indian territories Kalapani and Lipulekh and Limpiyadhura is a blatant attempt to use artificial map making to serve narrow political agendas of Prime Minister KP Oli, say senior government sources here. Nepal renounced all claims to territories lying west of the Kali River under the Treaty of Shaguli, Article 5 of 1815. These actions do not reflect any seriousness on part of Nepalese government to discuss and resolve the issue through dialogue. They are myopic and self-serving to a further limited political agenda, sources here said. In 1870, Nepal made a claim to the area and demanded return of villages of Tinkar, Changuru, Nabi, Kuthi, lying east of Kali. First two were returned to Nepal, but the Governor General of India rejected its claim to Nabi and Kuthi as they lay west of Kali. The question of sources of Kali River was also settled by the same ruling. Nepal's current claims are also incompatible with its own boundary treaty with China, where the current territorial sovereignty is maintained. In fact, India has repeatedly accused Nepal of encroaching on Indian territory in Narasai and Susta areas in Bihar by settling its own population through various construction activities. In fact, on Wednesday, 3 weeks after declaring a new political and administrative map, the Nepal government formed a 9-member team of experts to collect historical facts and evidences related to Nepal's ownership of Kalapani and Susta areas. This shows, according to Indian sources, that even Nepalis consider these new claims to be dodgy, drawn up too hastily for narrow political objectives. India says it has discussed outstanding boundaries issues with Nepal at the Point Working Group in 1997 and 1998. In 2014, both sides mandated the two foreign secretaries to work on the issue of Kalapani and Narasai Susta and with technical inputs from Boundary Working Group as and when required. India officials said New Delhi agreed to talks on Kalapani after Nepal objected to the inauguration of Kailash Mansarovar Road by India on May 8. Thank you.